Picture this, a silent guardian, ever watchful, ready to sound the alarm when danger lurks. That's your fire alarm system, folks. It detects smoke, heat, and carbon monoxide, the silent killers. But like any sentinel, it needs its checkup. Enter Reliable Fire and Security, Chicago's trusted name for fire alarm inspections. This ain't just about ticking off a box on your safety checklist. It's about guaranteeing your alarm system is in top shape, ready to protect you and yours when it counts. Our techs, they're not just good, they're the best. Expertly trained, they know these systems inside and out. They'll make sure your alarm is ready to roar at the first sign of danger. Remember, folks, an annual inspection isn't optional, it's essential. With the Reliable Fire and Security, you're not just safe, you're secure.